Alcohol inks are one of my favorite mediums to work with. In this video, I'm comparing the Nature Walk alcohol ink set with the Alcohol Ink Pearls kit number 3. Now, the Alcohol Ink Pearls have a colored mica powder in them, whereas just the regular alcohol inks are transparent alcohol inks. So they both blend and mix with each other, but I'm going to use them separately so you can see the different looks that each gets. I'm using it on a non-porous surface with some alcohol ink blending solution. You don't want to use alcohol ink pearls with isopropyl alcohol because it makes them go gritty and you don't see the pearl effect with them. So you definitely want to be using them with alcohol ink blending solution. I'm moving everything around with an alcohol ink blower tool. You can use other things to move it around as well, but you definitely want to have something in order to be able to move those inks around. They do move a tiny bit on their own, but it's nice to be able to control it a little bit and be able to move it where you want it to go. They're still going to blend and flow where they want to, but with a blower tool, you can kind of control it a little bit. As I'm working, I'm adding a little bit more of the alcohol ink colors that I think it needs and some of the more alcohol ink pearl colors that it needs. I like the way these pearls are blending, but it does need a few extra. As the alcohol ink starts to dissipate, you'll notice that the colors move around a little bit less and you get a little bit less blending. So it's fun to be able to add the alcohol inks at different stages in order to get the different looks. I can add alcohol ink solution at any point if I feel that it needs a little bit more rehydrating to blend it more. But with the alcohol ink pearls, you get a really nice pearlescence to it that none of the other alcohol inks do. The regular alcohol inks are transparent. You get some nice bright, vibrant colors, but they're absolutely beautiful and it's fun to combine or just have each as their own.